Welcome to the short podcast about connecting an OTT Pluvio² precipitation sensor to an OTT netDL via OTT SDI. First, we demonstrate how to install the Pluvio² driver from the CD. Simply open the shown directory and execute the file having administrator rights. Also, the Pluvio² operating program has to be installed from the directory software. If you missed a CD, you can download the software from MyOTT. After the driver is installed, you can connect the Pluvio². You can follow the process opening the device manager. The driver will be automatically assigned to your Pluvio² first shown in other devices, after successful installation in Universal Serial Bus Controllers as USB Serial Converter. After finishing the installation of software and drivers, start the Pluvio² operating program. Click the Connect button to establish connection and the current settings are shown. You can leave the factory setting SDI-12 for the communication interface. In this podcast, we demonstrate changing to RS485 useful for long cable length. In any case, the SDI-12 protocol is used. Finally, write your configuration changes to the Pluvio². Next, we demonstrate the guided accuracy test in an accelerated way. Avoid any vibrations and wind during the test. The first step shows the preparations. The second step reads in the settings from the Pluvio². In step 3, you apply the tare weight of minimum 2.5 kilograms, which is measured by the Pluvio² in step 4. In step 5, you apply the high accuracy test weight. A calibration weight set can be ordered from your OTT representative. In step 6, enter the detail of your test weight, and finally the Pluvio² determines the weight increase. The last step shows the summary of your test procedure. We recommend storing the log file in the folder of your station documentation. Now open the operating program, import the default configuration from the previous podcast, and simply drag and drop the template for the Pluvio² with OTT SDI above the existing channel. As a result, we have created several channels for the Pluvio². In the measurement modules, leave the instantaneous value option inactive, otherwise rainfall while viewing the value on the display will not be stored. If the Pluvio² is your only sensor connected, we recommend disabling the concurrent mode in both channels 101 and 811. There are several parameters available which are explained in detail in the manual. We recommend using parameter precipitation accumulated non-real-time stored in channel 101 for further evaluations like the daily sum in channel 109. Since a time delay of 5 minutes applies for this parameter, you should take this into account. If the bucket content exceeds 80%, the status stored in channel 800 will change. With a full bucket, the Pluvio² cannot measure precisely anymore, so please empty the bucket timely. For a Pluvio² without heating option, delete channels 132 and 801 by marking and pressing the delete button on your keyboard. Now we program this configuration to the OTT netDL. The next step is to switch off power and to connect the wires according to the manual, the connection diagram in the file menu, and the following picture. Make sure the Pluvio² is powered permanently. After mounting and connecting the Pluvio², wait at least 5 minutes to finalize the initial instrument startup procedure. Then we can do a short test by selecting the instantaneous value feature of the data logger operating program. Note the 0 values for intensity real-time. Now take for example a €2 coin weighing 8.5 grams if in mint condition, and gently put it into the OTT Pluvio² bucket. Within 1 minute, refresh the instantaneous values. The intensity real-time should show almost the corresponding precipitation height. Now your system is prepared for the first real precipitation event. Thanks for listening.